Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online class, NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an Information and Communication Technology class. In short, it is ICT class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 5, page 70 to 71, reading plus discussion. Dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 11 and homework number 10 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 11 and SW number 10 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, in our last class, we learned the title Academic Information in Internet. I repeat, the name of the segment, the title of the segment is Academic Information in the Internet, and we learned there, okay, and we learned some important websites, educational websites, and we also learned how to run a course through online. Inshallah, today we will learn some useful website address and some courses from this or with the help of this online. Okay, now let's start our class. In this connections, I request all of my students of class 7 to open your Information and Communication Technology book, this book, page number 70 and 71. Inshallah, with this class, our reading session of chapter 5 will be finished. It is page number 70 and 71. Today, inshallah, we will learn these two pages. So, let's start our class. Lecture number 11 and SW number 10, Mr. Khan has explained different subjects including mathematics, history, healthcare, physics, chemistry, biology, space technology, computer science, etc. Dear students, in my last class or previous class, I told you that Mr. Khan is a Bangladeshi born scientist. I repeat, Mr. Khan is a Bangladeshi born scientist and he is also a founder of Khan Academy. Today we are learning also more about him. These videos are downloaded more than, so look here, more than 18 crore times till now. You can download the videos that you require. So look here, Khan Academy. What is written here? Look at the website, it is written Khan Academy. That means different subjects are there. So look here, any academic videos can be downloaded from the website of Khan Academy. If you go to little bit forward, we will get different subjects. For example, mathematics, history, healthcare, physics, chemistry, biology, space technology, computer science, etc. That means by making 3,400 videos are here. So if we search in the internet Khan Academy, we will find different types of videos, okay, on the above subjects. Now look here, now it is fifth. http://khanacademy.org/int/bn, that means Bangladesh. All the videos of Salman Khan are in English, but those are translated in different languages that included Bengali. This site will provide you with the Bengali translation of this lesson that are divided into 4 categories such as biology, chemistry, physics and organic chemistry. There is a list at the beginning of every link. From here you may pick your essential videos. So look here, it is www.worldwideweb, then youtube.com/user/Khan Academy Bangla has 1258 videos on mathematics, and you can download the required videos of algebra, arithmetic, statistics, trigonometry, etc. from the websites. So dear students, from point number 5 we have learned, if we go to internet and if we search Salman Khan Academy, we will get different types of subjects name, okay. That means we can learn from here different subjects. Now we will go to the point number 6, www.bbcjanala.com. Look here, www.bbcjanala.com. It is a website of learning English language There are plenty of websites in the internet to learn English, but this site is useful for the learners of our country. Very much useful. This is some courses in this site to develop fluency in English language. Anybody can attend the courses through free registration. So look here, through free registration we can attend to these courses. After the completion of the course, now dear students, we will go to next page. You can take the printout of the course report here. You can register for the course to enhance your fluency in English. Dear students, we have seen here www.bbc-janala. Okay, that means through this website we can learn English, we can develop our speaking ability in English, and after doing or after completing our course we can take a printout of this report. So the summary of www.bbc-janala is this. Now look at the point number 7. http://mathforum.org.dr.math. So look here, this is the web address name. Okay, I am giving here the underline. Okay, I am underlining the address so that you can easily find it. Point number 6 done. We are reading point number 7. So look here, it is a popular mathematics related website. Problems of algebra, geometry and calculus of school level have been explained clearly with examples in the website. If anything is available in this site, consult Dr. Math. So look, now point number 8, it is www.matholympiad.org.bd.forum, very much popular website. It is a website of discussion on mathematical problem, and the learners can ask questions to solve their problems. Teachers and volunteers of Bangladesh Mathematics Olympiad run the International Mathematics Olympiad in this forum. Full stop. Besides, they arrange competitions in regular intervals. Now point number 6. Point number 9. It is www.learningscience.org. So look here, www.learningscience.org. You may have the practical knowledge of the subject of science. Okay, our last segment is 10. It is the ancient elementary books. The scientists and educationists of the world immensely contributed to develop science and knowledge, and they helped the civilization to advance. Their thought and experience were recorded in the books written by them. The digital version of those fundamental books are found in the internet. The links of some of the books are given here, given below. If you open your book page number 71, you will get this one. Okay, I am not telling you the name of these all things. Okay, after opening your book you will easily find it. Now look here, the digital versions like these books can be collected from the internet free of cost now. You can download the books by using search engine in a right way. That means if you use a right way, if you go to using a search engine, if you use a search engine in a right way, you can easily download different types of valuable books, okay, at free cost or free of cost now. Now dear students, look here, it is written SW number 10, make 5 MCQ from page number 70 and 71 of chapter 5. Dear students, today with the page number 70 and 71, we have finished our reading session of chapter 5. If I tell you the summary of chapter 5 is, that means in short it is internet, the helping hand, that means education in the internet. Education in the internet, and today we learn different useful websites, name of the useful websites, and through this we can learn math, science and different others useful subject also. So dear students, with more two class, I repeat, with more 2 class, our class 7 ICT subject will be finished. And do your SW in your SW copy. Finally abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.